On behalf of Kala Academy and being as a chairman of Kala Academy, first of all, I'm wishing you each and everyone over here वर्ल्ड थिएटर डेच्या निमित्तान तुमकां सगळ्यांक हांव मना काळजासान परबी भेटयतां. आज पयलेच फावट एक आगळो वेगळो प्रयोग. आज आमी कला अकादमी आणि आमचे एनजीओ कल्चरल डायव्हर्सिटी फॉर रिसर्च पीसफुल फ्युचर जॉर्जिया ह्या संस्थेच्या जोड पालवान लाईफ ऑफ अ क्लॉन बाय लिबर्टी थिएटर ह्या संस्थेचे अंतर्गत आज हो एक प्रयोग आम्ही ह्या कला अकादमीक साजरो करता. अशा ह्या प्रयोगाक ह्या सभागृहात उपस्थित आशिल्ले थिएटर फिल्डातले जाणकार मानेस्त, थिएटरांतली आवड आशिल्ली, हौस आशिल्ली गुणेस्त रसिक जन, कला अकादमीचो चेअरमॅन ह्या नात्यान तुमकां सगळ्यांक हांव मायमोगाचो येवकार दितां. आय ऑल्सो वेलकम टू ईच अँड एवरी आर्टिस्ट who is going to star in this play all the way from Georgia, and Sri Pradhan Prashar, who has taken this initiative, who is a director of NGO Cultural Diversity for the Peaceful Future Georgia. Being me as a Minister of Art and Culture, I welcome all the delegates, all the artists who has come all the way from the Georgia and different part of the country. एस्पेशली ज्या वेळाचेर आमी वर्ल्ड थिएटर डे म्हणटात त्या वेळाचेर प्रत्येकाच्यो भावना वेगळ्यो वेगळ्यो असतात आणि ज्या वेळाचेर जो कलाकार जो असता तो कलाकार आपल्या विविध शैलीन विविध ढंकान आपलो नाट्य प्रयोग सादर करपाचो हर तरेचो प्रयत्न करता. आणि म्हाका दिसता आज ह्या जगान भितर इतले कॉम्पिटिशन वाडिल्ले आसा, द टेक्नॉलॉजी आसा, ह्या सगळ्यांचो आज विचार जावन द बेस्ट क्वालिटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट आमी म्हणूया, प्रोडक्शन्स आमी म्हणूया, तशे तरेचे प्रत्येक मान्यवर हांगसर आज दितात. आणि ह्याच अनुषंगान हांव सदांच म्हणटा की भारताचें आणि जॉर्जियाचें रिलेशन जें आसा ते खूप महत्वाचे आसा. आणि आमकां जर कल्चरल बॉन्ड, कल्चरल एक्सचेंज जर आमी जर करतले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता अशे तरेचे इनिशिएटिव्ह घेवप हें तितलेंच महत्वाचें आसा. कारण लास्ट 15 days बॅक वी हॅड बीन टू द पोर्तुगल with our cultural exchange program where 7-8 artists has flown to the Portugal and presented their art form in the different field. आणि एक इनिशिएटिव्ह आम्ही मुखार केल्लो आसा. द सेम थिंग वी ऑल्सो आमची जी थिएटर आर्ट जे आसा ते सुद्धा जगाच्या बाकीच्या वेगळ्या वेगळ्या कोनशान पावपाक जाय असो म्हजो एक मानस आसा आणि त्या दृष्टिकोनांतल्यान हो एक प्रयत्न आसा. The India and the Georgia relation transcend the history of the cultural tapestry. Georgia is India's friend in Eastern Europe and partners in the initiative like sustainability and the respect for human rights. Goa is the cradle of this relationship as Goa provided.
I am Aftandil Varsimashvili, director, and I am a professor of Theatre University in Georgia. I came to Goa for this play. It's not my first visit to Goa. I want to thank Darpan Prashar for this idea for Indian Georgian Cultural Festival, and we are very happy to be part of this. And today we are here with a play, The Life of a Clown, and I want to thank Goa's administration, Kala Academy of Goa, for giving us this opportunity.
We are celebrating, organizing Indo-Georgian Cultural Festival. One of the organizers is my NGO, Cultural Diversity for Peaceful Future from Georgia. My NGO is working for India and Georgian cultural integration from last 8 years. and this is my 8th tour, in which in my tours I am bringing different groups from Georgia. It's dance groups, singers, and theater performers. And in this group this time I am coming to Goa with a group named Liberty Theatre, which is one of the very famous theatre from Georgia. Director of that theatre is Mr. Aftan Dilbar Simashvili, who is very well known Georgian theatre director, and also he is professor at the Theatre University. We are playing a play, the name is The Life of a Clown, and all Georgian artists are going to play here. And today with the play there was a workshop also for local students from Goa, and they learned some techniques of theatre from Georgian artists. After that we had a movie screening, the movie, Georgian movie, which was shot in Goa 10 years back, Everything Will Be Alright. And the audience or the students, they watched that movie. It was also an interesting and more interesting thing is that today with the Goa Kala Academy we are celebrating World Theatre Day. Today's World Theatre Day, and I congratulate all the people. They love theatre, and they play in theatre, and they like theatre. Thank you very much, and we are very happy, and thanks to Goa Kala Academy and thanks to Liberty Theatre.
This is first time in Goa or?
This is my second time in Goa. Last year also, in the month of March, we did a theatre play, Why They Kill Tired Horses. It was in Sankhli area. There is also an auditorium, I don't remember the name. Last year we did the same performance there also.
What about today's performance? What exactly?
Today the play is 1 hour and 10 minutes. This play is regarding a life of a clown. एक जोकर की जिंदगी के ऊपर है, ये कॉमेडी है.